Okay, then the next question we're going to look at is from 2016, the C2 paper, and it's question 5. The figure below shows a logo for an ice cream parlour. O is the centre of a circle. A, B and AC are tangents. Now that is very important, because if you can imagine this line going on here, a tangent meets a radius at 90 degrees. So if you imagine that line is going on, those are 90 degrees angles. Circle's got a radius of 4, so that wee line's 4, and that wee line there is 4. And the angle AOC is 4 pi over 9. So that means this angle here is 4 pi over 9. I can easily work out from there this angle here for the sector, because remember full sector is 360, which is 2 pi. So 2 pi, take away the two angles I have, 4 pi over 9 minus 4 pi over 9. So 2 pi, take away 8 pi over 9. 2 is the same as 18 over 9. So taking them away leaves an angle in there. That's 18 pi over 9. Take away 8 pi over 9 is 10 pi over 9. Now, the very first question is asking you for the perimeter of the logo. So the top bit is the r theta, okay, length of a sector. Your r is 4. We've now worked out our angle is 10 pi over 9. So the length of the sector is 40 pi over 9. It's asking for the perimeter. So I now have to find this side here. So if you go back to ordinary trig, right angle trig, that is 4. That is 4 pi over 9. And I'm looking for this side here. Use your ordinary SOHCAHTOA. Hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. I know the adjacent and I want the opposite. So writing out SOHCAHTOA, that is using tan. So tan, the angle, is opposite over adjacent. So bring your 4 across and times it. 4 tan 4 pi over 9 equals x. So that length is going to be, let's put into calculator. Make sure your calculator is in radians mode as you're putting these in. So it's 4 pi divided by 9. And then times that by 4, giving you an x value of 22.685. The perimeter then is the curved bit, which you have worked out to be 40 pi over 9, plus that x side, which is 22.685, plus the other x side, which is 22.685. So timesing that, or putting that all through in the calculator, gives you an answer of the 3 significant figures, 59.3 centimetres. Now, just looking back at the exam question, part 2 is wanting the area. So it's going to be very, very similar. The area of the triangles. Area of one triangle is base times height divided by 2. So make sure you're using the perpendicular heights. The base is this AB, or the AC you've worked out there, 22.685, times the height divided by 2. So it's going to be 22.685 base times the height divided by 2. So working that out, 22.685 times by 2 basically is 45.37. So area of the sector now is a half r squared theta. So your radius is, from the very start there, 4 squared, and your theta is an angle you worked out at the very start. So the area of your sector is, just putting this through the calculator here. So it's a half times 16 times 10 pi divided by 9. So the area of that sector is 80 over 9 pi. So your total area is the area of 2 triangles, remember, plus 80 over 9 pi, giving you a final answer of first of all, to a couple of decimal places, just because this is the way you probably will write it in the exam, but they will expect 3 significant figures. So it's 119 centimetres squared.